Our last one for number 32, calcium nitrate. That's, let me write a little smaller this time. Calcium is a 2 positive charge. Nitrate is a 1 negative, so I'm going to need a parentheses there, 1 negative, and calcium being a group 2 metal is going to have a 2 positive charge. Let's crisscross that and indicate we have 2 nitrates in solution, and that's going to mix with sodium. Sodium is Na and carbonate is CO3 with a 2 negative charge. Sodium is a group 1 metal, so it's a 1 positive. Sodium is going to get a subscript of 2. Carbonates are generally not soluble, but with alkali metals, group 1 metals, they are. Those are exceptions. All right, let's switch these cations. All right, so I'm going to write my nitrate first. So sodium nitrate is going to be soluble, NaNO3. All nitrates are soluble without exception. All right, and that's a 1 positive, 1 negative, so they'll cancel out. And so the carbonates are, calcium carbonate is not soluble, CaCO3, get that in there, that's an S. That's better. All right, calcium is a 2 positive cation, and a carbonate is a 2 negative, so they're going to cancel out. All right, carbonates are generally not soluble. Here, I'll take you back to this general solubility rules. Right, your exceptions are always going to be your alkali metals and ammonium. Okay, so insoluble it is. Let's balance. We got 2 sodiums on the left, only 1 on the right, so we need a coefficient of 1. That didn't do anything. 2. All right, that's going to give us 2 nitrates on the right, and that balances out with the left. Looks like we're done. Yep. All right. Pick a different color. Aqueous solutions. Let's dissociate them. So don't forget the charges. Calcium is a 2 positive cation, AQ plus, bring that to the front. Coefficient, that's how we quantify things. We don't need a parenthesis. NO3, 1 negative charge, AQ, soluble. All right, bring that 2 to the front. Otherwise, it looks like a diatomic sodium. All right, 2 moles of sodium ions in solution, and 1 mole of carbonate ions in solution, and 2 moles of sodium ions. I'm doing this part here. Sodium is a 1 positive cation in solution. Don't forget your plus signs, right? Distribute there. 2 moles of nitrate. Kind of on autopilot at this point. Come on, almost done. And the there it is. Okay, what do we do now? Spectators. Spectators are not involved in the reaction. They just spectate. So we don't write them in our net ionic equation. So our net ionic equation only involves the participants in this reaction, which are our calcium cations in solution reacting with the carbonate anions in solution to form calcium carbonate. There you go.